How to browse Instagram without account. If you try to open Instagram, it will ask you to sign up or download the app. Since we don't have an account, we are going to bypass this restriction. To do this, open a web browser and search for the Instagram account you want to see. You can do this by typing the username followed by the word Instagram in the search bar. For example, if you search for Ferrari Instagram, you will see a link to their profile. Tap on it and it will open in the browser. Without an account, you can still see public profiles. You can view posts, check how many followers the account has, and see how many posts they have uploaded. You can also open posts and browse through images just like a regular Instagram user. There are some limitations. Without an account, you won't be able to view comments or interact with posts. However, you can still browse the content of public profiles without needing to sign up. That's how to browse Instagram without account.